Hello. We all know how to use solo ads. And most people think they don't work. I want to change your mind on how solo ads work. In fact, I'm going to show you through this concise training, how to make a commission with every single click. So pay attention to this video. I'm excited to show you how this works. Usually, solo ads work like this. You purchase 100 clicks or 500 clicks, then you send them to a great squeeze page, and they are then sent to an offer. It's the advice everyone gave you, and it's partially correct. Those who embrace their mentors and culture believe that all you need to do is send traffic to their offer, but that isn't true. There are so many factors at play that offer may be burned out. It may never work with solo ads in the first place. The real secret to making anything work with solo ads is optimization. Optimization is absolute king, and we are going to show you what we mean and how we can help you. So we might send 100 clicks to the squeeze page and we just assume this is really good. So this squeeze page may get a 30% opt-in rate. And then we send another 100 clicks to another squeeze page. This may get 25% opt-in. And then, we send another 100 clicks to another squeeze page, getting 45% opt-in. We have a winner. This is the process of optimization. So many people miss out on it. We will show you how to get results like this. So what you should be doing all the time is optimizing your squeeze page to beat your previous opting rate. This is something you always need to do and never stop doing. But it doesn't just apply to the squeeze page. So let's say you have tested and you've run 3,000 clicks to the opt-in page and you found a winner. You've got one that does 45%, brilliant. And you think this is fantastic. I should make loads of money. But you haven't split tested the offer, and this is where real optimization comes in. I'll show you what real optimization looks like. So let's say you run another 3,000 clicks, get 45% opt-in, and get 0 sales, which can happen with offers that don't convert. And when people do this, they normally say, well, the offer is junk wrong. The offer is not optimized for solo ads, and I'll explain that in this training. What you should be doing, if this is your offer, should be optimizing around solo ads. You should be playing with a copy, with the buttons, with the prices, etc. And I'll show you now exactly how you should optimize with affiliate offers. You need to send a good number of clicks to test an offer. A normal kind of ratio is 3 times the sales amount divided by the cost to click. So if a sale is worth $100, times up by 3, and for ease, we will say that the cost per click is $1. So you can send 300 clicks to the offer to see if you get a sale. Obviously, once you get a sale, that's just a start. You look to scale up. Now, as you can see, you have to send tons of traffic to find the offers at work. And then you have to do tons of testing on the squeeze pages to get the highest opt-in and build your list. And then you hopefully make sales, and you can see most people haven't got 15,000 clicks to make solo ads work. Because 15,000 clicks $1 a time is $15,000. But what you can do with this short training is you can leverage your optimization. We know how to monetize solo ads. We know how to make sales with solo ads. So what you will do is you will basically send the traffic to prove and squeeze pages, and we will monetize it for you. You can get results like this. You are guaranteed with every single click you send us to make money. Nothing else works like this. You're in the right place to capitalize on this at the right time. Just imagine building your list and making a commission with every single click on your thank you page and every click you send us. Now it's time to get into the training. We will show you how to set all this up. This is a very short training, and literally, within under an hour, you will be set up to receive traffic and make commissions with every single click. Click the link below to get your free training today. See you in the next video.